So we have then the first cause of all causes, which is the uncreated creator. This is by definition unknowable, unnameable, and ineffable. The uncreated here points to a dialectical understanding of God as unknown, as uncreated, and known as creator. We can only know him through created effects. Knowing it completely, however, is impossible in a definitional sense. It's unknown even to God's self for Eriugena, which is a very original idea that we're going to delve into later. But suffice to say now that God is at the same time unknown as uncreated and known as creator. Only through theophany we can know him, and theology's starting point can be only that, through the manifestation of God, not through the knowledge of God himself, which is not knowable even to himself. Okay? So this is a radical idea, it seems to me. And so the divine essence is unknowable in itself. Why? Because the essence of God cannot be known. And we will see also that the essence of human beings can also not be known. We can only know that it is, but not what it is. This is very relevant for actual practical spirituality, because it's the best method to sort of peel the onion and get to the core of what we really are, that we actually can never reach. So it's actually never ending and it's actually eternal. And what we actually are has actually no limits, but within the limits within the limits of the essence of what God has given us as being. Okay, so it's not like everything goes, but it is very, very well defined. However, at its essence, we cannot reach. So, to a great degree, all that is there at the core of what we actually are, what the universe is, and what God actually is a very living, dynamic mystery that is connected, however, to the truth. It's not relative at all. Yeah, and I'm going to delve into these ideas. This is very important. The unlimitedness of the very crucial, rational, specific limitedness of our being. It seems like a paradoxical idea, but it is paradoxical, but it's not irrational. Okay? So we're going to get into the known as creator, so theophany, which is the starting point of theology, is the mode in which God reveals God's self, is the apparition of God. And we see it first in created effects. So therefore we have this dichotomy, this dialectical methodology to delucidate what God is or what we can say about God. And Eriugena says it's incomprehensible when considered in the innermost depths of the creature which was made by him and which exists in him. So it's not relativistic, it's not anything goes, it's not undefined, it's just simply undefinable. But it is definable that it is undefinable. So we can know of and speak about God's creative activity. We can. A very beautiful quote from Eriugena's in the Periphysium, book number 3. It should be respected in the silence of our hearts and our lips, lest we should give some rational explanation of it.